folks, this is Pete with Old School Muscle in Santa Cruz, California. I'm here presenting Jacob's Heart Raffle Dream Car, which is a 1969 RSSS convertible Camaro. Folks, this is a 4-speed car, a full console car. It has a cloth top, a glass rear window, and an optimal battery in the trunk. This car is completely breathtaking, folks, and somebody's going to win this car for $100. Can you believe it? How exciting is that? Somebody's going to win this convertible 69 Camaro, but they need to contact Jacob's Heart at www.jacobsheart.org. The tickets are $100 a piece. Somebody's going to win this car. The drawing's going to be February 27th in Monterey, California. They're doing a minimum of 2,000 tickets and a maximum of 4,000 tickets. This car has been, every bolt, every nut has been turned. It has been flipped upside down. The bottom looks just like the top, folks. It is incredible and completely exciting. Somebody is going to win this car, folks. How could you imagine winning this car at $100? So, folks, if you don't have a computer, feel free to call 831-724-9001. And talk to the ladies at Jacob's Heart, and they'll send you an entry form. Get a ticket before they all run out. Old School Muscle builds these cars. Here's another car that we offer as well. This car's up for sale. This is a 1969 RSSS 396 4-speed car. Complete coupe, beautifully done, just like the Raffle car, flipped upside down, optimal battery in the trunk, complete console car. All the cars go gunmetal gray with tuxedo black stripes here at Old School Muscle, folks. Here at Santa Cruz, California, we love our Camaros. A barnyard find, folks. Check out this barnyard find. This is a 1969 Z28 matching numbers 302 with a Rally Sport package. If anybody knows anything about Camaros, they know that this is a rare package, that the Z28 was offered with a Rally Sport package. This car has never been painted and is a complete barnyard find. It has a console set with all the gauges, 12-bolt posi, 4-speed M21, all factory, matching numbers, unmolested survivor. This car is incredible. Never been painted. The odometer says 33,000 miles, but it may have a little bit more than that. But I don't know. We'd have to Carfax it and see if it's ever been turned over. As far as I'm concerned, it looks like it's got 33,000 miles, if you ask me. Matching numbers 302. Everything works. The vacuum headlights work. Everything. What a beautiful barn find. If you're interested in knowing any more information about this or want to purchase this rare survivor, please give me a call at 831-786-8810. All right, folks, thank you very much for spending some time in this beautiful set of American muscle. Somebody's going to win this raffle car. If anybody's interested in possibly purchasing one of these beautiful cars from Old School Muscle in Santa Cruz, California, feel free to give me a call. My personal cell phone number is 408-482-8385. And we're located over here in Santa Cruz, the sunny Santa Cruz, California. All these cars are California cars and just waiting for a driver. Somebody's going to win this car, folks. All the cars are danced up beautifully, just the same. Powder-coated subframe, powder-coated wheel wells, radiator support, completely flipped, every nut and bolt, folks. Somebody's going to win February 27th. Don't be late. Buy a ticket. Somebody's going to win this car. Thanks, guys. From Santa Cruz, this is Pete Dunn. Thanks.